when you kind of first um, reveal like pretty devastating news like that to people, whatever that looks like for you, it feels like everybody like drops what they are doing and are like really there for you. There was so many people that stepped up for me, like in so many incredible ways that I am like eternally so grateful and thankful for. But there's also this time period when that starts to kind of quiet down a little bit, and like you're still moving through the motions and going through these changes, and everybody still cares, everybody still reaches out, but everybody also goes about their own lives. I cried most mornings before I had to go. I experienced like a lot of, another thing is a lot of nausea, and so that I would be like crying and like gagging and being like, I don't want to go. And my mom would be like, honey, you have to. Like, it was pretty much like the people around me, like, literally, like, scooped me up and picked me up and made me go.